Hey everyone, welcome back to another video for Prodigy Online. Today we're going to be covering the new weapons that we have added into the server, as well as how to get different skins for these weapons, and how gear changes work. So to start off, the best weapons in the game are considered the honor weapons. The way to do this is through the academy system. And as you can see, here are the honor weapons. These honor weapons do break, and the only way to increase them and keep them from not breaking is to continue to do the honor system and to get these items and apply them to the honor weapons as they are breaking. As you can see, it says how to use. You just push Y, put it in the left slot, and then the right slot you place this alchemy stone. All right, so the best weapons are the honor weapons, but a close second is the tier 13 regular weapons, SOD, Seal of Darkness. They are about 10%-ish shy of the honor weapons. The honor weapons are about 10% stronger than the normal 13 SOD weapons. The SOD weapons are found just in the wild, so good luck finding those. The way to obtain the 13D weapons SOD is just from killing mobs and uniques. Alright, so I am now going to go ahead and cover how the changing weapons and gear works. Alright, so in NPC Town there is an item change mall, and there are different items here that allow you to change your sword to different swords to Euro. Just depends on what you would like. You can change any weapon to this weapon, or if you have a harp and you want to go to a two-hand, all you have to do is buy this two-hand thing. You can also do this with sets. This will convert all of your set to this, not just one piece or two pieces or three pieces. You can have a hybrid mix of gear and it'll still change all of your gear to whatever you select. So if I selected this robe, it would completely change all of my gear to the robe. Alright, I'm going to show you how this works. Let me get out of invisible. Okay, so I am currently wearing protector. My gear is +8 with full 100% blues and 100% whites. However, my chest is not. It has 100% whites but not blues. Okay, so we are actually going to convert my set to garments. So all you have to do is, I have already pre-bought one of the garments. Make sure that you are choosing the correct one. All I'm going to do is click it. And I am now in garments. As you can see, garments and the stats are exactly the same. You will not lose stats or any blues. Alright, so we can also do this for the weapons. Now this only works on 13D weapons and armor that are the default skins. I'll get into the skins in a second. So if I take the normal 13D spear, I am going to actually convert it to a bow. So let me put it on and go ahead and click the item. Alright, getting out of invisible again. And as you can see, I now have a bow. I do not have that other spear, so you do lose your weapon, but it is +1. And now I have a completely new set of gear, robes, and a bow. Alright, so now we can get into how the weapon, now we can get into how the different skins work for the weapons. Alright guys, we are back, and it is now time to tell you how to get different skins for different weapons. Now, for all of these skins, you have to have a default skin on your weapon to get to a different skin. These are bought from the Job Silk items. As you can see, there are items here that say item skin ticket 1 that will convert your item to the first skin. Then we have the second skin, third skin, and fourth skin. Now, if you want to go from skin 2 to skin 4, or from skin 2 to skin 3, or skin 2 to skin 1, you have to apply a skin back ticket so that you take your item back to the original default skin that it has. All right, so I'm going to show you how this works. I now have a bow, and I didn't read it. All you have to do is put it in the first slot, and then we're going to go to the first skin. All right, so now that we have teleported, we are now, as you can see, skin 1, and we have a completely different skin. The stats are still exactly the same with the +1. All right, guys, we now have a skin 1 bow, and let's see what we got. Now we have a completely different skin. However, to go from skin 1 to skin 3 or 4, we need to make sure to go back to the default skin. All right, we are now back to the default skin. As you can see, there is no skin 1 on the title of the bow. So we are going to go to skin 2. Actually, I'm sorry, we're going to go to skin 3. All right, let me get out of invisible. And we are now on skin 3. All right, there we go. Pretty simple process. It will cost you quite a few coins, and the way to get these coins is, as you couldn't tell, to go through and just trade in the game, and you will end up getting enough silk. This is job silk, which you gain from going on trades and participating in job wars and whatnot. All right, guys, this about covers the end of the video. Some few closing notes is that these skins do only work on Seal of Darkness, not on Seal of Moon or Seal or SOS. There are 4 total skins for every single weapon. We did not add skins onto the gear, obviously, because there are plenty of avatars. That about sums it up. If you have any questions, make sure to leave us a comment on our forums as well. And if you have if you have any ideas on a new video that you would like us to create, please let us know in the forums. And we hope to see you in the game, and we'll see you next time.